Here we're at the job site now, and I'm gonna just unload the excavator off that little ramp right there, and let's take a look of what we're doing here. Make sure every time you need to dig, you call the underground utilities can do the marking for you, and just to note where are the utility lines. And there's a gas line here, but luckily we don't have to come in this far. So what we're doing is actually we're installing a cleanout right here. We started to look for the sewer line and we couldn't find it. It's about 2 feet deep. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use the excavator to find the pipe, and then we can expose the pipe for the plumber. We'll try to still locate the sewer line, and hopefully we'll find it soon.
The excavator is operating in real time, and so you can see it's pretty smooth. Operating position is pretty comfortable, and this excavator is the joystick control or pilot control excavator, and also this excavator reaches deeper, about 5.5 feet, close to 6 feet that you can dig down. And from this video right here right now, you already see that the whole digging arm is into the pit that we have dug. It's about 4.5, 5 feet deep, and it's about 4 feet across. And so it generates a lot of dirt coming out, and we are not able to find the pipe still at this point. So I'm suspecting that the pipe is not here, and it's already 9:24. So we are already pretty deep, about 5.5 feet deep, and so this is beyond the reasonable depth for this end of the sewer line. And so we're gonna go to the other side and try to find it and dig backwards. Yeah, this is one of those things that people will send you photos and saying, you know, where the locations of the sewer lines are. Yeah, you just never know. So I was expecting a short day, but oh well. Not the end of the world. We'll find out. Okay, so I'm gonna relocate my excavator to this side. And now at 10:46, I'm already cutting across a pretty long trench, and it's getting deep as well. And from this end, I would have more confidence of finding it. And lo and behold,
this is like treasure hunt. So we found the pipe from this end, and clearly it's not straight. So earlier where we were digging is definitely off. But anyway, hopefully from here it will just be a smooth sail to get the job done.
Here comes the plumber and the general contractor, and I told them that the information they provided was not correct. The pipe is not where they said it was to be, and but you know, that's just part of the work. Here you see the blue shovel is placed directly above the sewer line that we located, and now I'm trying to excavate a bigger pit so that the plumbers can go in and cut out the cast iron pipe and replace ABS pipe with a cleanout, a street cleanout. And also the excavator is operating in real time, and you don't see it bouncing and jerking around, just because it's a pilot control and it's much smoother operation. And also I found that this excavator is much better for jobs like this because it can dig down about 6 feet and still light enough to be carried around in the back of my pickup. Now the plumbers place a letter, you know, it's pretty deep, about 6 feet that we dug down, and they have installed the cleanout with the new section of pipes. At 3 o'clock is the time to start backfill, and I have placed the larger bucket, trying to move more dirt with the larger bucket. I also pick up the dirt along with my hydraulic thumb on it and pressing down the dirt with my excavator, and you can notice that the excavator operation is very smooth. It's just very nice pilot control with this model, and also has plenty of power with the Kubota engine on it. Overall, just operating very nice. So my take on this excavator is definitely worth the money, worth its value. Very good, smooth operation. And so if you want to, you can buy directly from the factory. I will, in my next video, include a link as well as how much I had paid for it, and you will be able to find all that information on my next video. The end of the day, at around 5 o'clock, we finally place everything back. Make sure nothing's damaged, and make sure that we don't get a call back. If you have not done so, you can hit subscribe and like, and also leave me comments on what you think about this excavator and this type of jobs, and I will see you in my next video.